Hi, this is my kitchen set, cooking set, ultralight, and I'm going to show you today what's in it. First, this is the pot cozy that my brother designed for my cooking set. Thank you. And it is made from neoprene, and it is for protecting the whole set from scratching other things in the backpack, and keep the water warm, or you can say simmering of the food. There is a velcro here and elastic band here. You open it. This is windscreen. Okay, this is pot cozy. Goes away. Titanium lid. Bushcooker LT I from 4-dog stove. This is the smallest from the 3 different bush cooker that they have. This is LT1, they have LT2, LT3. This is for one person. 2 small metal stakes. I will show you why I use this one. Ground cover, ground protection. This is not the original one. Actually, the original one is different, and I found this one better. And you can use it as an alcohol stove. I will show it later. And Snow Peak Titanium 700. And this is for putting it here to avoid burning your lips when you are drinking hot liquids. And the owner of the 4-dog was kind enough to actually send this one for free. This is another his design of alcohol stove that you can use inside your bush cooker. Okay, here it goes. Today I'm gonna use alcohol. This is a multi-fuel stove. You can say you can use Esbit, alcohol, definitely wood because it's a wood stove, or a mixture of any of these 3. And today I'm gonna use just alcohol. The temperature today is 11 degrees centigrade. It's cold. I live in Toronto, and today is definitely the coldest we had. Imagine 3 days ago it was 33 degrees. Yesterday was 20, I think 21, and today is 11. Here it goes. This is my fuel, methyl alcohol, and I'm gonna use this measuring cup to pour 1 ounce of methyl alcohol into the stove. That's exactly 1 ounce. Let's prepare the windscreen. And boil 2 cups of water. These 2 steaks that I mentioned earlier goes like this. Another one here. To put the windscreen over. Now we have 1 cup of water here. And another cup. Exactly 2 cups of water. And starting the timer. I don't know in this weather how long does it take, but in summer I always come here in this corner of our local park and boil water, make tea. So during the time that we are waiting for the water to boil, I talk about the weight of this set. The stove, the Bushcooker LT I, is 2.4 ounces. Snow Peak 700 titanium with titanium lid that I bought separately for $5 from 4-Dog Stove is 3.9 ounces. The ground protection is half an ounce, 0.5 ounces. And the alcohol stove that I showed you earlier is 0.7 ounce. The plastic lid is 0.2 ounce, 4 grams. Wind protection or windscreen, whatever you want to call it, is 0.3 ounces. Hot Cozy that my brother designed for my stove, or for my cooking set, is 1.8 ounces. That 2 small metal stick is 0.2 ounce. And the whole thing that you saw is 10 ounces, 290 grams. And this is a very good stove. If you want to use wood, alcohol mix, or any asbestos, it works like a charm with alcohol. But if you don't have alcohol, you can use wood, small branches of the wood. In the next video, hopefully, I'm gonna burn wood to see and sometimes I come here and I actually cook with this set, with wood or alcohol, like a burger, and it works. Easily you can cook with this set, and it's not heavy. The whole shebang is 10 ounces. And by the way, you can use this one and pour alcohol in this one and put it underneath this stove, and it will work like an alcohol stove, and then you don't need that alcohol stove that the 4-dog stove sent for me. And this is like a, if you look, it was a candy bottle. Anyway, it's working. Let me show you. You can see the flame. This alcohol doesn't have, it burns blue. But you can hear the sounds of water starting to get warm. That's the stakes that keeps the wind chilled. If you use 2 cups of water, then you definitely need around an ounces of fuel. But if you're using less, like for a cup and a half, 2/3 of an ounce is more than enough, especially in warmer weather. And as I said, you can use this one as an alcohol stove. I will show you later, or use the stove that he sent me. Thank you for a stove, 4-dog stove. It's a brilliant design. I love it, especially because it's multi-fuel stove. Works like charm with alcohol. That is the most common fuel today, and works with wood and esbit, or a mixture of all of these things. You can hear the sound of the water. 6 minutes 30 seconds. I think in 7 minutes we will have it boiling boil. Warmer weathers I had boiling in less than 5 minutes. You can see the steam coming out. And it